Just work without the VT. Oh, there you go. First one. I don't know why it didn't go off. Why must you not sound? Come on, did I set you on the wrong setting? No, I did not. Why must you not go off? Oh shit. Why? Why must you not go off? You didn't go off, you didn't go off, you didn't go off. These two did. Oh, you gotta be serious. This one went off. This one went off. But what up? Let's check why it did not go off. Alert mode. What the? Whatever. I don't know why this one didn't go off. But successful. Also, setup. New.